let's see how to change column width and row height in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to change our column width, for example, right here, we have our table. Now, when we click on that table, on any cell on that table, these two will pop up on the tabs on the ribbon. Now click on table layout and highlight the cells that you want to edit. So for example, we want to change the width of this entire table. So let's go ahead and highlight it. Now you can see right here under cell size that you can change the height or the width of the table. So let's go ahead and try to change this width to a smaller size. And as you click, you'll notice that the width becomes smaller and smaller. You can also reverse it and go the other way. And you can do the same thing with the height. You can either increase the height of each cell or decrease it. Additionally, let's say that you have uneven columns. So for example, very uneven columns. What you can do is highlight all of those cells and simply click on distribute columns, and that will evenly distribute all of your columns depending on how many. So right now we have 5. So it's going to distribute them equally within the page. And that is how you can change the column width and row height in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.